Welcome back to RazFamArt. Today we're going to draw a cute cricket. To begin, you can use a pencil or a marker, whatever you feel comfortable with. I'm going to use a marker so that my color really pops to help you draw. To begin, we're going to make a big oval shape. This is going to be for our cricket's head. So going around, almost like a C, and coming around over, and closing it up. I'm going to go around one more time so that my line is thick and try to smooth out my line. And when you work with marker, sometimes your line isn't always perfect, and that is okay. And I'm just trying to straighten it out a little bit more over here. All right, I'm happy with what I have right now. So next, I'm going to draw the cricket's eyes. So we're going to make oval shapes. I'm going to have one go right over here because our cricket's head is a little bit tilted. So it's going to be a little bit lower. And then I'm going to make another oval shape right there. And then I love making the little glare. So I'm making a little circle there, another little circle. And then I'm going to quickly color this in. And you can always pause the video if you would like to catch up. Okay, so now let's draw the cricket's eyebrows. Here's a tiny little eyebrow there and another tiny eyebrow. So cute. And let's make a little nose right here. Okay, I'm going to make an N shape and I'm going to make a big smile and a mouth going from one side of the eye to the other. Nice and big. All right, let's continue. Let's get ready to start drawing the antennas. So you're going to make your way from the base of the head, going up, curve, and then a little up again. I'm going to go up, curve, and up. I'm going to go up, curve, and up. Up, curve, and up. There you have it. Our cricket now has antennas, and let's start making that body. So you're going to go parallel to the eye, and then you're going to make a curved line going down. There we go. Next, we're going to go a little bit lower by the chin and make another curved line that's super short, and we're going to make the cricket's leg. So we're going to make a thin oval shape, really thin right there. Okay, let's continue making that body. All right, so we have our arms, and now we're going to go from the bottom of that arm to the back of the body. Here we go, and we're making that line right there. And we're going to make the leg, the back leg. So I'm going to do a diagonal line connecting the front and the back. And now we're going to make another curved line right there. So we have the back leg, and then we're going to make the bottom of the body, going from the chin, curving, bringing it around to that back leg. And let's make that leg, connecting it to that first arm that we made, and we're going to make a diagonal line. It's going to be really thick. So here we go, connecting it to my arm. Now that leg is coming down. I'm going to make a little boot that its foot. There we go. Super cute. Little oval shape right there. I'm going to quickly color it in. Now let's make that other arm. I'm going to make it diagonal right there. Just a straight line. And then we're going to do another little boot for the foot. An oval shape. And I'm going to quickly color it in. Super! Look, it's almost done. So now we're going to make these back legs. So you're going to have a diagonal line going from right there and make the little boot going backwards. I know it looks silly, but it really does look like that. And then we're going to color it in. And a cricket actually can make songs by these little spikes. So we're going to make the tiny little spikes. They're tiny little triangles, connecting it to that back leg right there. Then we have one more back leg to make. Gonna have a little line coming out, tiny little line, and let's make another foot right there. I'm gonna put some lines on my cricket's stomach. All right, that line is done, and now I'm gonna make one more line on the top. I'm gonna connect one arm to the other. There we go. All right, our cricket is complete. We can use crayons, color pencils, markers, whatever you feel comfortable with to color in your cricket. I'm going to use markers. Please enjoy. Don't forget to like and please subscribe. Also, hit that bell for notifications.